My name is Paul Manning. I have been with Excel Refrigeration Auckland for 6 years. My current role, which is relatively new, is Managing Director of Auckland. The improvements that it initially brought was the fact that it was a cost-effective program and we could have multiple business units in one software package. It also allowed for real-time reporting with technicians and eradicated the need for paper. They went to market and pretty much Simpro fitted all the bill that they needed for it, so yeah. One that Simpro absolutely helped with was JSAs, and we can enforce that at the start of a job. We can see now leads converted to quotes, quotes converted to jobs, and that obviously assists with pipeline. And then it gives our senior managers a higher level view of the overall company and performance. Excel found extremely beneficial the ability to add business units as we grew, and that was a huge selling point that a lot of other software packages couldn't offer. One of the main impacts that we've seen and benefits is holding our technicians accountable for timesheets, and every minute is captured. We then have clear sight on productivity, and it allows us to evaluate and plan for future projects and resources. One of the benefits that wasn't envisaged at the start was SimTrack and the ability to track vehicles and validating timesheets. We found valuable data when planning if we got emergency jobs in, one that we've rolled out across all our vehicles, a fleet of 300 plus. We have a lot of technicians on their own, so we can see where they are and we can flag alerts, so health and safety. Excel currently integrate with our accounts package, which is very seamless. It means I don't have to expose accounts to every member of staff. We also have a very simple, seamless API into a third party for BI reporting, which allows real-time data for clients. When a job is raised, when a technician is en route to that job, we can expose this to our clients. A recent example of very, very good customer service, we recently identified a fault where we had created a custom field in the mobile app. On iPhones, the decimal point wasn't available. We raised it with Simpro, and within a matter of weeks, it was resolved. For me, if we didn't have Simpro, we would have a lot more software packages to use, which with our diverse workforce becomes a real headache for training. I see a pretty healthy future. I don't see Excel moving away from Simpro. I see us partnering